My fucking asshole. Okay guys, now I'm sick and tired of shooting this intro again and again. This is my third time, or basically this is my third take. So basically, as you guys can see from the background, that I am in Ludhiana. I'm back home for 2 days. So tomorrow's Monday. I'm gonna be leaving in the afternoon or maybe something, maybe in the morningish. Once I'm able to get the shit done that I actually came here to do. First of all, I would like to apologize for not posting on Thursday because that was I have a genuine reason that my shift was entirely changed. So I came back on Wednesday night at 2 a.m. and I had to go back on Thursday 2 p.m. like in the afternoon. So that's the reason I wasn't able to film. I definitely did have a entire script planned for a specific video, and I'm also going ahead and starting on Instagram, so go ahead and keep an eye out for that. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the socials in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm going to be taking you guys through a few workout exercise or maybe exercise combinations that you guys can do at home. Alright guys, let's jump right into the workout. The first thing we're starting off with is basic push-ups. We need to make sure that your shoulders are tucked in, chest is up, and your fucking ass is straight, not like this or popped out. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm in the frame. Just going for it. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm in front of the camera, so I don't have any difficulty in coming in the frame. Again, make sure to do controlled movements. Negatives will help you. Okay, that's good for a warm-up. So we're definitely going to be doing different types of variations for the push-ups because we don't have any other equipment that we can use to our advantage. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm actually going to try is the planche. Maybe partial, maybe full. So let's give it a try. Again, it's been a long time that I haven't practiced planche, but I'm still going to go ahead and give it a shot. Let's do this. First thing is you need to make sure you have a good grip and your shoulders are more outward. Okay. Fuck. I think I shouldn't have done the push-ups, and because of the push-ups I believe I don't have the enough energy to carry out the full planche, so that's the reason I only got to do partial planche. Again, these are just some basic variations that you guys should try because that's how you build strength to do a full planche. Let's move into the push-ups again. And I'm going to be trying to move my hands a little more closer and the elbows more towards my body so that we focus on the middle chest, inner chest, and the declined lower pec basically, and the triceps. Okay, shit. Okay guys, next I'm gonna be going ahead and practicing some of the handstand, or maybe if I could get the handstand push-ups, that'd be wonderful. What the fuck? Wonderful? That's so fucking formal. I have no idea why am I even trying the formal technique of conversating. What the fuck is conversation? I'm way in over my head, guys. Let's give this a try. Oh, that was pretty intense. Let's give it another try. Okay, that was just a kick up. Oh shit. Oh, that was intense again. Shit. The entire blood flow is totally fucking caught up in my head. Try doing it at least against the wall, because then you'll have a freaking support and you won't fall down. If I had a good type of supporting wall, then I would have shown you how to actually do it, but no worries. I'll make sure to include it in the Instagram reels. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Okay. Oh shit. Again, guys, I'm not able to balance on one fucking spot, which is what I have to train myself to do now. I will give it another shot. I'll make sure to put my hands a bit more outward so I have another grip, good amount of grip. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, that was kind of good, but wasn't good enough. Shit. Let's give it another try. Again, I just watched the footage back and my torso is basically bent, so that's the reason I wasn't able to balance it for that long. I'm gonna be trying to keep my torso straight and see if that makes any difference in balancing. But again, I won't be able to get that right off the bat, but I'm gonna give it at least 3 tries at least. Much more easier to work on yourself.
Okay, that was
that's the reason.
Pretty amazing.
Fuck it up.
Because I was able to balance it for long enough, at least 6-7 seconds.
Okay.
Good 6-7 seconds, I believe, hopefully.
Okay, that was totally fucked. Oh,
I was about to fall on my face.
let's do this intentionally now. And now if I'm fucking able to balance it, then that's totally screwed. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Shit. Ooh.
Okay, let's do this one more time.
My fucking asshole.
Let's give it a try once and see where this actually leads us. I'm gonna try doing some close grip pull-ups. Let's go ahead and get into it. It's a really good exercise for your back and your biceps. What you guys can do also is try doing basic shoulder taps. Shit, I'm not able to get a good grip. Basic pull-ups, guys. Hopefully I get good grip this time. Again, we're trying to keep switching things up by just moving up and down just like monkey bars. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, my hands are fucking dead, man. Just because I can't get a good amount of grip. And with that, guys, I believe we are done with this workout. Hopefully you enjoyed this workout. You can definitely go ahead and give this workout a try. Basic push-ups, pull-ups, and make sure at least you get about 3 to 4 sets. I did certainly get 3 to 4 sets of each of those exercises, but if I went ahead and filmed the entire workout, they would have been out of storage. So I only showed you guys basically one set of each exercise. And make sure to go ahead and give the handstands a try as well. Again, it's really good for mind-muscle connection and controlling your body with your mind. Definitely will come out or you'll be able to get it after a lot of practice, and there's no harm in that. We're just trying to grow ourselves and actually challenge your body and your mind to achieve what your mind is actually telling you to do, because that's what the end goal is, to control your mind and at body at the same time and achieve the muscle mind connection, the ultimate level. And I'm going to be definitely coming out with a few more videos. I have a really amazing video planned for you. The next one, hopefully I'll be able to shoot it. If I'm still in the night shift, then I'll be able to shoot it in the day, hopefully. So yeah, guys, give this video a like, share it with your friends, comment down below what other videos you guys would like me to make, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video, and peace out.